gender neutral skateboard. Anyone, and I mean anyone, can skateboard. You're gonna get me angry. I almost broke it.
This is really happening right now.
Hey you guys, we're here today with
Nigel.
Gabe,
Emma.
Doug.
Young Wesley Snipes _XX374.
I don't even know what to say after that. Before this video started, you may have seen a clip that I filmed on my iPhone of a tag at Target that said gender neutral skateboard. And it got me thinking, wait, aren't all skateboards gender neutral?
I thought so.
I'd say so.
I thought so too. That's why I'm confused why they're labeling it like that. And I was like, you know what? We're gonna buy this gender neutral skateboard and we're gonna shred it with Emma and young Wesley Snipes _XXX over there. But we'll also show that any skateboard, whether it's that one, the ones out there, or the ones being ridden over there, or the ones in other states or other countries or other continents, those are all gender neutral. Anyone, and I mean anyone, can skateboard. I just want you guys to know that before we start this video. Anyone.
I saw this thing where it's like, it shouldn't come back and hit you.
That would have hit him. So the companies out there that do this, that put the plastic on underneath the trucks and whatnot, stop doing that. Just cut it out already. Just send it.
Cut it out. Got him.
I'm leaving.
Where are you going?
To go get people houses.
You got a video to film, man.
People need hugs, man. The world is a better place when hugs are given.
Can I have a hug?
Of course you can have a hug. This magic moment. First person hug.
Hey, what up? It's your boy, Young Granola.
I mean, that's fine, I guess.
Doug, it looks so good with your hair.
All right, well, based upon first impressions, it feels like every other skateboard that I've ever ridden in my life. It's living up to the gender neutral standards of normal skateboards. I feel stupid that we have to make this video, Dan.
Someone needs to.
They shouldn't have to be labeled, it's not. You're gonna get me angry. It is getting me, all right, I'm gonna kickflip this.
Wow. Wow.
I just want one good one. I almost broke it. That was that close to being broken, Dan. It surprisingly pops really well though. It's a Kryptonics board, but it actually seems pretty good.
Look at the back truck. Already.
We can fix it.
He's bending it back around.
It's fixed, Gabe. It's okay.
Dude, that's so embarrassing.
It's okay, Gabe. We're fixing it.
Oh my God! I did 3 kickflips. Vinny, analyze this skateboard for me.
You want me to analyze?
Just analyze it. What is different about this?
You said a skateboard, right?
Yes.
Like, who do you think would
First
ride
of all,
this?
this is a longboard.
Okay, fine. Let me reiterate my question. Analyze this longboard.
I mean, it looks like a regular longboard to me, except for that part.
Would you like to know what this longboard is labeled as? At Target, it is specifically labeled gender neutral skateboard.
How does that make any sense, though?
That's what I'm saying. Aren't they all?
What kind of board you riding?
A gender neutral board right here.
That's what I thought.
All right, Doug, nollie heel. Possible. Wow. Damage report. We're getting a little bit of bend on the front trucks. There's a pressure crack right here. Yep, the wheels don't look good. Emma, kickflip.
Oh my goodness.
All right, Emma, you tested the physics, now kickflip. Yes! Gender neutral. Your best friend Aussie Dan suggested that you drop in on the vert ramp with that.
I didn't say that.
You are out of your mind.
Hold up, I want to try this. One more.
The only actual skateboard they need to make that's different from other skateboards is a specific one for Dan.
I missed it. Whatever. Can I try one kickflip? It's too hard. Last try. I kind of want to try a board slide. I'm a danger on that thing. I'm a hazard to myself and others.
Oh! Double?
Oh!
Double flip off or you try to do it?
Yeah.
All right, double flip off.
Okay, he said, what is that? I said, it's a gender neutral skateboard. He said, is that legal?
Am I in this?
Yes, you are.
I haven't even got the kickflip yet. Imagine getting popsicled on this. Oh, it barely rolls.
Double flip off?
Yeah.
You're up next. Have you ever done a double flip?
I think I'm at it, man.
Every time I ask her if she's done something, she goes yes, and then says, but like 4 years ago.
Oh, that was beautiful.
It wasn't clean.
I'd rather drop into the vert.
Vinny and Emma still have one try to go.
I was so close. I gotta redo that.
I was gonna do the half version of that.
It's such a long thing to just go around, like it just whips.
Wow! Wow! I got your back.
Alright, burial this.
Holy nightmare flip! I'm just gonna flick a little more and just do a nightmare flip.
Oh my gosh! This is really happening right now.
Or I might break it. Whatever happens first. Oh! It's so stupid.
Hey Uzi, for you. Like, look at this. Imagine this popsicle me. No. Vinny on a stick. Oh.
No, he can't do that.
Ah, my knee hurts. Okay. All right, my knee is out of commission.
Emma, whatever you want.
I want to try to no comply. That counts. I don't know what to do.
Nigel wants to drop in.
I don't trust myself right now.
Well, I think it's skating actually surprisingly well. You know, I have a ton of experience on Kryptonics boards, so I'm in my realm.
This is actually terrifying. It doesn't even sit right.
No! I've been wanting to try this all
You lose so much speed. Like all of it, all the speed. That was interesting. That was an interesting feeling to go down the ramp. There's not much else we can do. I don't know why. I'll give it to Doug and he can do something and then we'll end it. Well, we skated a gender neutral skateboard. I'm not sure what else we can do without destroying it.
Let's try some stuff over there. Look what's wheel biting. The curved wheel bites. Instead of right under the wheel, it's going way over there.
You can do it.
Get those wheels on there. Dude, this thing's so hard to ride.
He said, ding, ding.
Should I try a manual for Aaron? I
mean,
can
yeah,
make a
if you
block out,
want.
right? This thing does not roll for anything anymore.
No, not at all. I need food.
I would try manual. Oh, I can do that. Oh, okay. I just realized I'm trying to manual on this. Ah, right here. That's great, but I don't care. I'm done with this board. It doesn't roll anymore. It does not roll that good. It just stops, like mid-manual.
All right, we're done.
Where's Nigel? To the outro.
All right, Emma, what do you think?
I think it works for both a female and a male. And a
Very
male
true.
and a male. So I think it is indeed gender neutral, but also I think it's like false marketing. Right?
Agreed.
Does that work?
I just want to say it doesn't work for anyone because that happened in 2 minutes and or
Yes,
less.
actually, that's true.
This is not neutral for anyone.
That's after
So
three.
maybe it means this. Maybe instead of meaning it's for everyone, maybe it means it's not for anyone. Equally.
It's just equally not
Equally
for
horrible.
anyone. No one ever ride this board. But seriously, all jokes aside, seriously, any skateboard in the entire world is gender neutral. Anyone from anywhere can ride a skateboard. They can get a skateboard at a skate shop. You can go in there. It doesn't say boys, girls, men's, women's. It doesn't do that. It's not like that. You just go in there, buy a skateboard, and you go and you learn how to skate, and you kickflip, and you feel great about yourself. So that's what's really important here, and that's what we want to explain to you guys. I do this a lot, huh? I don't know why I do. But there's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And if you guys see any gender neutral skateboards at your Target, go ahead and send it to us and we would love to check it out.
I'll write it for you. Just with the gender neutralism.
Just that. Just, nope.
Okay.